I got a new dog. Charlie. He's like falling asleep, so I'll see you in a little bit. I'm going to think of an idea to do for you guys. Peace. I was just looking for something to do for the video, but I saw outside snowing. Okay, just wanted to show you that. 1 second. I'm probably going to be bottle flipping without my friend there to distract me. See, he's going to be my new clickbait. Right, Charlie? Can I have paw? 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 Look at the camera. Okay. Aww. Okay. Yeah, 1 second, I'm getting set up. I just thought of a skit idea, but I'll wait until my friend Brayden comes out. Because I'm home alone right now. I'm sick right now, so we might not do that idea for a little bit, but we're doing battle flipping. Charlie, get on. Ah, no. Okay, 1 second. Okay, found a spot. Fail. Fail. Okay, I'm putting more water in this. That should be good. No. No. Yes. No. I need way more water. Yeah. 1 second, I'm getting more water. I know, I'm blaming it on the water because I suck at bottle flipping. Blame it on the water. Oh. Gonna go for a cap. Sucky. Okay. Comment what you should think I should do next in the next video. I got a dirt bike for Christmas. I might do that in a video if you guys want. Okay. Screw bottle flipping. Let's play with Charlie. Let's do the bottle over here. I'm not getting it until after the video. Okay, Charlie, here. Does he not want it? He did hurt his leg. I don't know. I might just end the video here and do one later. A short vlog, a really short vlog. I'll be doing longer videos in the future when I get my full camera. Okay. Subscribe, like, comment. Bye.